Welcome back, guys. Let's proceed with the project initiation. Starting a successful project, answer for the week post. Why is it important to initiate a project? Select all that apply. So, answer for this question is solidify the scope of a project, determine if the project benefits outweigh the cost, and provide a strong foundation, set the stage for success. So first you have to solidify the scope of the project, and then you have to determine the benefit of the project and output the cost, and then provide a foundation and set the stage for the success. What two questions can a project management ask to determine if a project cost? Project cost is that cost that you can expect is going to incur on a project. So what are the two questions that a project manager can ask? Those two questions are: how much time will people have to spend on a project? What are the ongoing cost? Ongoing project cost. These two, which project management ask himself, herself. Now fill in the blanks. These are the first thing a project management needs to consider during any season project. So resources are not that first thing, planning is not that first thing, and success criteria is not that first thing. So rest goals are the first thing a project manager needs to consider during the initiation phase. Imagine you're a project manager of a new agency or grocery delivery service. You meet the stakeholders to decide how to measure project success. Stakeholders are the person or people who will be investing in your project. Which project initiation components are you trying to determine? So, which project components? Scope, resources, success criteria, and goals. These are the four components. Now, particularly answer for this question is success criteria. Okay, which project initiation components are you trying to determine? That is success criteria. What team or terms refers to the budget, people, material, and other items necessary to complete a project? Deliverable, resources, success criteria, scope. Answer for this is resources. So, a resource is required to determine budget, people, material, and other items necessary to complete the people or project. Alright, a project charter adds value to the projects in a three way. Alright, I hope you have already gone through what are the project charter and all these terms. So we'll be just discussing answer here, including a project to mitigate potential risk, allows project managers to get organized, helps project managers communicate project details to others, set up a framework for what project work the team needs to do. Answer for this particular answer, you have to exclude includes a plan to mitigate potential risk. Rest all three are the answer for this. When calculating a cost benefit analysis for a project, okay, cost benefit analysis for a project, what do you call gains that are not call you quantifiable? Quantificables, that's the terms you can measure and quantify. Yearly profits, those are quantifiable, you can measure that in numbers. Quarterly income, again you can measure those in numbers. Ongoing cost numbers. So intangible benefits, answer for this will be intangible benefit. Last, you expect that a project will bring in $25,000 in USD in revenue per year. You estimate it will cost $12,000 upfront. You also estimate cost of 200 per month for the first 12 months, which equals to 2,400 per year. Using formula CG divided by since ROI. Okay, to calculate ROI, how would you calculate the project return on investment ROI first year. So you have to, first you have to take the project expected project cost, which is $25,000, and then you have to check. We have you estimation cost will be $12,000, and then 200 per month. Okay, for the first 12 months, which will multiply by 12 multiplied by 200, it would be 2400. So 14 2500 minus 1400 $14,400 divided by again $14,400 is equal to 74%. Second one will be your answer to calculate the ROI.